feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen on.
I feel like Mariah Carey. I'm like, it's time. Mariah Carey. When she is counting down the Christmas, no, not yet. And then when she ready to do her rollout, she'll be like, it's time. Look at us. Look at us. Yeah. Too cute.
Super cute. So we're setting up for our photo shoot. She's putting the things up.
No.
It's coming back. It's a little windy here.
Just stay in one spot.
Okay. To the left? Okay. I'll go back. It's like 15 degrees colder than it was yesterday, so we both have shorts on, so it's a little cold, but we're gonna do what we gotta do outside. To the left? Okay.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed.
Maybe I'll just.
You.
Oh, yeah, it's perfect. Oh, yeah. Okay, maybe I'll do that. Look how cute. You look high as fuck right there.
I am high.
A little bit, but I think that like these us laughing and stuff is gonna be good. Can you see my face? Wait, hold on. I wasn't ready.
Who let me get high? You. No, I'm just kidding. I did.
Yeah, it was totally your idea.
Bro, but I was fine at the park.
Yeah, it was. We ate like.
Oh, damn.
Really cute.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.